Hi, my name is Angela, and this is Carrie. We're two of the teacher product developers here at Really Good Stuff, and today we're here to answer the question,
which kit is right for me? So, with all these great kits, you might be wondering which kit's right for you. So we want to tell you a little bit about each of our different types of kits to help you figure that out. Our first kit, the Learning Success Kit, is a cross-curricular approach, and it will give you the supplemental curriculum you need to give your kids that extra practice in all the subjects, in all the areas that they're going to want that repeated practice. It has math, ELA, and social skills work. I love that kit.
I do too, one of my favorites. Another kit I want to tell you about is our social skills kit. Now this kit covers all those different aspects of SEL, social emotional learning, social skills, or like I like to call it, everyday life. So it goes over things such as emotions, feelings, relationships, how to just be a good human actually.
Absolutely, and it even has conversation guides to help the adults move the kids along, get them talking and opening up.
Exactly.
Now our next kit is the Family Engagement Kit. As we're trying to get the kids involved, we're also trying to build that school to home connection and get the parents involved too.
Important.
Absolutely. So this kit has ELA activities and math activities, but also has a 24-page guide in full color, equally in Spanish and English, to help students who speak a different language at home and helps parents understand what is happening in the classroom and how they can best support their student at home.
Which is very important. And so are skills. So we also have skills kits that focus in on either a math or an ELA topic. They come with dry erase books, which we all are in love with, and tons of hands-on repeated practice so that your students or children get those standards down, especially before testing.
Absolutely. All of these kits will help students work on their independence, build their confidence, and help them reach proficiency in grade level targets.
Excellent. So if you have any other questions, you can refer to the chart for those specific answers. And again, we're here to tell you
which kit is right for you.